Welcome to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. I hope you all are doing really well in this pandemic. So, we all know that we are looking for quick recipes during this time, and we all love mac and cheese, especially our kids. And a lot of my friends had asked me, how do you make the mac and cheese in none other than our instant pot? So, this is one of the requested recipes. How do I make in mac and cheese in an instant pot? So as I said, it's quick and easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just putting the elbow pasta shells. These are around roughly 3 cups, and I'm going to add water to it. I'm going to add water till every noodle or every elbow pasta is submerged in water. So this is 3 cups of water, and I am, do you see it? Yeah, everything is submerged. Now I'm going to put the lid. It's on the sealing mode, and we are going to click manual and go down till 4 minutes. Yes, it's just 4 minutes, and I'm going to wait till the 4 minutes are done. So the 4 minutes are done, and after 1 minute I'm going to just switch the instant pot off, and I'm going to do a quick release. I'm just going to do a quick release. It will take like 30 seconds to 40 seconds for this pin to go down. We have to be very careful when we are doing this. Now you can see that the pin is dropped down, and I'm going to open the instant pot really very carefully. The steam is going to be very hot, so just be very careful. Now as you can see, it is cooked perfectly. You can see some water, but it will be absorbed in another couple of minutes because we are going to turn the saute mode on. After the saute mode, I am going to add half a cup of whole milk. We are going to make it creamy. I will see if the milk is less. I'll add a little bit more milk, and then 2 tablespoons of butter. If you observe, I have not added any salt to this pasta yet. Why? Because the cheese which we are going to add always has a lot of salt in it, so we may not need that salt. So I'm not adding any salt, and I have taken 2 types of cheeses here. You can take whichever cheese is available in your house. This is the Mexican mix, and this is the mozzarella cheese. So altogether it's around 3 cups of cheese I'm adding. The mozzarella cheese will give nice strings, and the Mexican cheese will make it creamy. So I'm just going to stir, and our saute mode is on. Ooh, do you see this? It's nice, stringy, creamy. Mac and cheese is ready, and if you can see that water is all absorbed by the cheese and the pasta, I'm turning off the saute mode because we don't want that pasta to burn. But I'm loving all these strings. It looks amazing. I'm just going to put like couple of dashes of hot sauce. This is an optional step. If you like it, put it. Otherwise, it's okay if you don't add it too. I'm not adding a lot. As I said, it's going to be our kids are going to eat it, so we are not going to add a lot of it. But here our creamy pasta or creamy mac and cheese is ready to serve.